Welcome. Today we will introduce to you the module Critical Thinking by Analyzing News Articles. This module aims to develop critical thinking skills by analyzing news articles, to practice identifying bias and fact-checking in news sources, to improve media literacy by evaluating the credibility of news sources. The duration of this module is 60 to 90 minutes. You will need a selection of news articles from different sources, flipchart and markers. Before beginning, gather a selection of news articles from different sources, example local newspaper, national newspaper, online news website, cable news network, and find a variety of topics in order to have different perspectives on the issues addressed. Divide the participants into small groups of 4/5. Give each group a selection of news articles to read and analyze. Allow 15-25 minutes for the group to read and discuss the articles. Next, have each group present their analysis of the articles and the credibility of the news sources. Encourage the group to identify any bias or fact-checking errors present in the articles. Allow 30-40 minutes for group presentations and discussion. After all groups have presented, lead a debriefing session to discuss the key takeaways from the exercise and how the skills developed can be applied in evaluating news sources in real life. Allow 15-25 minutes for the debriefing. While debriefing, lead a discussion on the key takeaways from the exercise, such as the importance of fact-checking and evaluating the credibility of news sources. Ask participants to reflect on how the skills developed in the exercise can be applied in their own consumption of news. Encourage participants to share any insights or challenges they encountered during the exercise. Tips for the trainer. Encourage participants to consider the source and funding of the news outlets when evaluating their credibility. Remind participants that there may not be a right or wrong answer to the news articles presented, but rather multiple perspectives to consider. Be prepared to address any sensitive or controversial topics that may arise during the exercise. Thank you for joining us on this module.